Hi guys, it's Destiny with Crafted Destiny from Crafted Destiny. It's Destiny and this is Crafted Destiny. What am I supposed to say? I don't know guys, let me know. I wanted to do a project share with everything that I made with this Shimelle glitter girl pad. I used everything except for this sheet. This one just is so random and does not go with the colors like at all. So I don't know. I don't have anything I'm going to use this for. Maybe I'll cut them apart and see if I need numbers for a project at one point. But anyway, I wanted to make some cute like girl themed mini notebooks. More so like child. Because I thought they would be cute if I made them like pretty and sparkly and enticing to kids at craft fairs maybe. Or I also thought it would be such a cute, not that I've said in the past, I can't control what people buy things for, but it'd be so cute to buy like a couple of them and use them as like party favors for like a birthday party or something like that. Anyway, so I made 9 of them. Let me get them all. So I was able to get a lot out of that paper pad. So let's just flip through them really quick, shall we? This one is May All Your Dreams Come True with a little unicorn. And then I did the holographic matting because I just think that's so cute. And they all have little like things. I used a lot of the Project Life cards and I just cut them down to size and then made some divider pockets with little tags. The tags I did have to pull in other paper, and these are also just like Project Life cards that I turned into tags. So just trying to use all those up. And then I had this really pretty like holographic star ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby that I thought went great with the vibe. So all of them have 3 pocket pages with pockets on them and little tags in them. I didn't do little divider tabs, and then the order of the tags is all different because I wasn't really paying attention to that. And then most of them have a pocket on the back. Some of them I might have ran out. This one is Making Magic. Cute. They all have the same like cards from Project Life. But so cute. I just love them. Some of them have bigger journaling pieces from the collection. Cute. And I'm glad to have used this collection because it was just like, it wasn't really my favorite, but it was fun to work with nonetheless. Let's see, I'm trying to stay organized here. Make your dreams real. The little tulle paper clips and ribbon paper clips. Some of them I did little bows, but that was just too time consuming and I didn't love how it was turning out, so I ended up just switching to just a tied off ribbon on the paper clips instead. I just love unicorns, so this is an example of what those little bow paper clips looked like. They are cute, but I think I just need to figure out a better system because I didn't love what I was doing. It was just kind of time consuming, so let me know if you have a better process. Might need to just play around with it a little bit more. Anyway, how cute are these? I just love them. So just goes to show, even if I didn't love the paper itself, like all together, still able to make a really cute project. And you know, it's the holographic that makes it. Anything with holographic, I'm probably gonna like. So. I do like that these Project Life cards seem to go pretty well with it because they're all pretty similar handwriting and inspirational sayings, just like Shimelle does. So I'm planning on probably bringing a bunch of these to my craft fair because I don't know how many of these are gonna sell on my Etsy, just because my Etsy store is newer and I don't know. Oh, and this one, this was gonna be my cover, but then I accidentally put it on the back of this, so I just made a different cover. I don't know, it probably wasn't that big of a deal, but it was driving me nuts. I love this one. This one might be my favorite one. This one or this one. I love it. Less bitter, more glitter. Adorable. Cute. So you kind of get the gist of it at this point, but I will keep on keeping on. Show you all of them. You can change the world. I just love that ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I was kind of like playing around, and I first made one like a little bit bigger, like this. Like I like the idea of it looking like this, but I think I need a bigger paper clip, and then I also need to get like my hot glue gun out or something to secure it because I don't like that it's like flopping all over the place. So I just need to play around with that a little bit more, and I didn't feel like doing that 9 times, so that'll go on a different project or something. See, like some of it was like just weird and didn't really go. Okay, and this is the last one. Super cool with that little ice cream. Cute. I love making these mini notebooks, but they really do take a long time. And then it's like, wow, okay, that took a long time of my life, but they're minis, so it's like, how much do you charge for them? I don't know. Pricing is weird. I don't know. It doesn't really matter how long it took you. It just matters what people are willing to pay for them, right? So anyway, those are those. How cute. Love them. So I'm glad that I get to toss this. I feel accomplished smashing that. There was 36 sheets in it, and I was able to make 9 3x3 notebooks, which I feel like is a pretty good stretch of that. So let me know which one's your favorite. I'm thinking this one might be, or this one. I'm just a sucker for a unicorn, I gotta say. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.